Hey guys, this is the dog ear mace set. Pretty nice little, well made little set there. I'm not going to use that one today, I'm just going to use this and this lever. And this lever is not the best for what I'm going to be doing, which is unlocking 4 deadbolts in a row. And the first one is by Mountain Security. It's got 2 security pins. There's a bitting, key code 34452. Let's see how we get on with this one. And I'm using this way around as opposed to that way around. Actually, I'll try this way around. It's just there's a lot of slop in here and it's not the perfect tool for the job, but I'm just making a point. Start the clock, start the music, start the music. I like my music when I'm picking. Alright, here we go. And that's why I use it this way around. There's so much slop the lever drops out. But anyway, back in there, we wasted 30 seconds. Feel it giving. It's gone. There we go, we're in. So that's that one done. Stop the clock. I don't know what it was, but we're 46 seconds now. Right, reset that and we're on to a Defiant. The Defiant has 3 security pins. Key code on this one 35135. There's a bitting on there. My hands are shaking. Too much coffee today. Alright. Where's my music gone? Ah, there we go. Alright, I'm not doing any editing in this video because of the style of video it is. Off we go again. Where's my pick? Here it is. Yeah, we're on the whatever one I said this was, Defiant, I think. I find having coffee makes picking harder. I don't know about any of you other pickers out there. There we go, we're in. That's that one done. What was that? 33 seconds. Right, quick set 660. 2 security pins. And it's normally the 2nd and the 4th pin on these. Let's show you the bitting. There's a bitting there. Alright. Reset the doodad. Start. Here we go. Okay, you ready? I'm ready. There we go, we're in. Under 20 seconds on that one. Last one. And it's another Defiant. This is the 569. This one I find is the most secure of the bunch. Key code 11325. There's the bitting. Reset the clock. Right, start her up. Are you ready? Here we go. I suspect this one will be a pig, just because it's the last one in the video. I don't know, we'll find out. I would like it to be hard to get into, and that would mean more secure locks for people. I might just reset this one. I don't like the way I started. Almost had it, not quite. Right, we lost a minute messing about, but let's get back in. See what I mean about the slopping about? Alright, let's go for the other way. This is a little pick set that I carry with me, just for emergencies, because it's easy to carry. And you can see what it can do on door locks. Except for this one, for some reason. Another time I'll open it in 3 seconds flat. Come on, come on. Yeah. This is my last go, because the music finished. Damn, I shouldn't have had that coffee. 1, 2, 4. There we go. We're in. We're in. Alright. An embarrassing 220 on that one. But there you go. You get the gist of it. And just for those that wonder, yeah, I buy these locks new. And Defiant. I looked up Defiant. Not much information on them. They're made exclusively for Home Depot by this company, Taiwan Fu Xing Industrial Company Limited, and there's the locks that we all know. So yeah, not a great deal of info on them, other than Defiant put in 3 pick resistant pins, and quickset and mountain security only put in 2. But if you have any of these in your front door, I personally recommend you have it changed for a much more secure lock, because they're embarrassingly easy to get into. Go for something like one of these by Multi-Lock. Nice lock, not crazy expensive, about 50 bucks or somewhere around there, but awesome lock, very secure. These, as you see, not very secure. Alright, well, thanks for bearing with me on that last lock. It honestly normally only takes a few seconds. Catch you later.